This video is requesting more information on the AZ5 button, the one in the backup control room Dyatlov presumably pushed. In the HBO series, before the explosion, Dyatlov takes a smoke break in a hall off of the Golden Corridor. Akimov knows right where to find him. This is also the same hallway Dyatlov goes to after the explosion to press the AZ5 button in the backup control room. In the HBO series, Dyatlov leaves the control room right after Perevozchenko says there is no core. In the process of going to the building with a backup control room, he sees graphite in the parking lot, indicating Perevozchenko was right. Finding an image of the AZ5 button in the backup control room has been difficult. The backup control room is located in the small cube of a building next to the staircase and the deaerator shelf. There is a lower set of windows facing west at the Golden Corridor level, and an upper set of windows at the same level at the transport corridor, room 401, that face north and west. This room is left off the floor plans. Level 0 has this building room 055 as the fire pump station. This is probably why Dyatlov speaks with the fire department as well. Level 6 shows room 247 and 248 as a cable room and an auxiliary room still beneath the Golden Corridor level. The Golden Corridor level does not show that building at all. It is visible from room 401, the transport corridor. This level has the large windows that are seen on this graphic. No floor plan above this level shows these potential backup control rooms. Here are some pictures of this building and the view from these windows. From this picture, the north windows have a pretty good view of the rubble. Here, a view from these windows of the face of the building. Here are the windows of these rooms in the construction phase. Here is a view of Unit 3's backup control room, upper floor from Unit 3, room 401 transport corridor. Here's another view of the damaged building. Here's another view after the sarcophagus is installed and potential view of some control panels inside. Another view into the north-facing windows, perhaps 12 windows and 3 are broken. This is presumably a picture of a backup control room, although there is no AZ5 button at first glance. Another view of the 2 levels of windows on the Unit 3 side. In the Golden Corridor, the door to the right is potentially to Unit 3's backup control room. Another view of the sarcophagus with the upper windows completely removed. Another view where the north window is boarded up. Another view potentially showing 3 windows broken out of the 12. Another view of how much the rubble could be seen from the north windows. Other than finding a picture of the AZ5 button in the backup control room, it would be nice to know how it was wired. Was it energized when pressed or de-energized when pressed? Was it on battery power rather than grid power, or was it on TV8? It likely required reset upon being pressed, so that would be another good piece of information to have. Also, a picture of the switch to de-energize the servo drives, both in the main control room and the backup, would be great. Please include a link in the comments below if any of this information is available. Also, as a side note, oxidized graphite actually swells, and it's likely the reason the rods would not move anymore.